Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. I'm here taking care of Remy, but Remy wanted me to make sure that you guys have an understanding of what is causing the market to sell off today. So let's go ahead and break this down. Wanted to update you guys during our live trading session today. I actually ended up buying the dip. So one of the things that I talked about in yesterday's video, market is down, or TQQQ is down, 8% on the day. One of the things that I did very well yesterday is I pointed out the resistance level at the EMA line. I talked about why I reduced my position size from 15,000 shares all the way down to 5,500 shares. Little heads up, 5,500 shares are the shares that I'm holding. So regardless if TQQQ goes back to $24, I'm still going to hold 5,500 shares. With that being said, the difference is what I'm day trading with. And I decided to buy the dip. The market was down, 5% during the pre-market session. I viewed it as a dip buy opportunity. I've been buying as it's been selling off, and I'm going to have to sell it by the end of the day anyways. Right now I have 13,000 shares. I will not be holding those shares overnight. I will only be holding 5,500 shares. But why? Why is the market dropping? Well, some of you guys should have been able to see. Here's a quick little update on my Tesla position. Again, not just showing you guys the green days, but of course the red days as well. Tesla is down 8.5% on the day because it expects to lay off 10% of its staff, 10% of its workforce. And obviously, that's not a step in the right direction, right? So that's a negative sentiment for Tesla. It just looks like Elon has been, experiencing bad news after bad news, and it's been pretty unfortunate. But guess what? We had an amazing week of a run. We've been preparing for this pullback. We knew that it wasn't going to be green day after green day after green day. We've killed it, right? If you guys look at, I recap my trades every day. Not only do I trade live, but I try to recap them every day on YouTube. Wednesday of last week, I made 20K. Thursday of last week, I made 27K. Friday of last week, I think I made 33K, something like that. I have it all within the videos that I upload. Tuesday of this week, I made 13K, and it was a break-even day. I think I lost 2K, 2 or 3K on Wednesday. Thursday, which was yesterday, I made 29,000, and I recapped that one as well. And then today, I'm down 19,000. I trade with a little bit more money than the average person, and it comes with the territories. Again, not just here to showcase the lavish green days, but also here to talk about my red days, how even though the market is down 8%, if you do the math, 8% of 430,000, I would be down a lot more if, I would be down closer to $40,000 if I would have held the 15,000 shares. This is why we reduce our position size at overbought levels during uncertainty to anticipate the worst. And if the market even recovers remotely, right, even if it were to be break even, I would be up a significant amount because of how I averaged into my position size. So I'm excited to follow up. I'll keep you guys up to date if you guys are part of our Discord chat. That's that first link in the description. And yes, it is for free. Also, friendly reminder, we are having a free pizza party at our TechBud Solutions headquarters located in Chandler, Arizona. It's open to the public. I don't care if you're a beginner trader. I don't care if you don't trade at all, or if you're an experienced trader. Come hang out, meet the team, have some pizza, and I'm just excited to finally meet you guys. So again, that's going to be at our HQ in Chandler, Arizona. Feel free to Google search it, and you should be able to find it. That's going to be from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. today, Friday. I think it's June. What day is it today? June 3rd, right? So I'm excited to follow up with it. If you guys are too, make sure you guys drop a thumbs up. If there's any questions that I can answer for you, comment down below. And don't forget to stay connected. You guys can follow me on Instagram. All the information is down below. And again, like you heard me talk about them, I do trade live every morning. I both share the good and the bad, especially if you've wanted to get into trading in the stock market and you like the way that I trade. I would encourage you to take 2 minutes, click the second link in the description of this video, and learn a little bit more about my Learn Plan Profit Group and to see if it's a good fit for you. If it is, I'll see you on Monday at Market Open for my live trading session. So I appreciate you guys' time. Remy just wanted to make sure that you guys were aware of what caused the market to sell off. I'm glad that we at least prepared for it with our previous videos and our position size, and I'm excited to follow up. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team. Say bye, Wemmy. Bye, guys.